what I did and how I decided to incorporate Physica into my practice is I started with the RCCP, and we had talked about that, and I figured as I was learning the product line and as I was learning how to incorporate and use the different products, I would go ahead and start with the RCCP, and that's the best place to start with anybody. And so I went ahead and made the initial investment and started with just 12 clients with the RCCP and saw such fabulous results with that I decided to just make sure that Physica was the company that I was going to carry, even if it wasn't the whole line. If I just carried the RCCP to start with, of course I'd carry almost everything else now too, but just started that way, making sure that I started seeing results from the RCCP, from the Physica line. The RCCP is the Restoring Cellular Communications Program through Physica. It consists of different products used to start restoring cellular communication in the body. It's a great place to start with clients because it levels the playing field, and we use that term to say we need to get a baseline. We need to know where the body's at nutritionally and where we can go from there, and make sure as we progress in our treatment that we have already set the stage, so to speak, for success. So we use the Restoring Cellular Communications program, and we make sure the body is hydrated. It includes rehydrate in it. We make sure we're working on cellular rehydration. It has the Nat Body Clear, which is supplying the body with nutrition. It's really working great in the liver, making sure that it's nourished and that it's able to release toxins. We use the Nat Colon Clear, and we make sure that the colon, of course, is moving properly. I absolutely love the Nat Colon Clear. It's non-abrasive, so I love that point of the Nat Colon Clear. We use the Galt Fortifier, and I know most practitioners will know this, but we say that 70 to 80% of the immune system is in the gut, so you can see why the Restoring Cellular Communications program is so great, because so much of it focuses in those primary organs in the gut and small intestine, large intestine, the liver really focuses in there. So we use a Galt Fortifier to go in and work with the lymphoid tissue of the gut, the small intestine. And we use the Flora Centropy, which is completely wonderful probiotic, a right spinning probiotic to go in and reestablish the gut flora. And we also use the, I think I may have got them all, the Catazyme 7, a digestive enzyme, which everybody needs anyway. So, and that is part of the Restoring Cellular Communications program. So when you start someone on that, you have their cellular rehydration, you have the digestive enzymes in place, you're supporting and nourishing the liver, you're fortifying the gut flora, and assisting the gut-associated lymphoid tissue as well. So you have the complete package right there. If I needed to get a patient just started on the right path and I wasn't going to put them on the whole RCCP program for whatever reason, then there are several products that I would send them out for. They don't need to be tested for if you don't have testing equipment. The Flora Centropy is probably number one. Rehydrate would be another one, simply because almost everybody I see is dehydrated on some level. Flora Centropy, Rehydrate, and I would probably go with the Spectralite, the trace ionic minerals, and it keeps the pH balanced. We know that that's vitally important to our health, is to balance the pH, so those would be my three top picks of send them out the door with just to get them started. They're going to feel great just by being rehydrated. They're going to have great gut flora, and that makes everybody happy, and they're also going to keep their pH balance and keep their electrolyte balance correct in their body. Those will be the three top ones I would use.